Could you imagine spending your life savings on a rotten investment? We've seen it happen. People who come to this space to make money online, and they get taken advantage of because they don't know how to buy great affiliate websites. A lot of sellers and brokers have gotten clever at hiding information. So in this video, I want to share with you how and where to buy money-making affiliate websites, and most importantly, how to value them so you don't overpay for a sinking ship. So if you want to know how to buy great money-making affiliate websites, please smash the like button and let's dive into this. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm about to share the goods with you on where and how to buy money-making affiliate websites. But all of this is not nearly as valuable as what I have to share with you for the last step of buying these websites. We often see that the people that skip this last step come back to us with less money, more stress, and freaked out because they bought a bad business. Don't be that person. Hang in there and I will share this with you shortly. Number one, work out your buying criteria. There are a lot of people who want to buy a website, but they don't know which one to buy. And of course they don't. The only way you can know which website to buy is to understand where you are right now and then where you want to go. This means you need to set a goal and set yourself some buying criteria. The first question you need to ask is, how much capital do you have access to and are willing to spend? In this example, let's say that's $30,000. Next, you want to know how much time the site takes to run, because let's face it, you don't want to buy a job, right? So how much time do you have set aside each week to run this website? In this example, let's say you can do 1 hour per day for 5 days a week. So that's 5 hours per week. Cool. Now you know what you want. You can start to go shopping. Number two, where to find Amazon affiliate websites. But where do you go to find these Amazon affiliate websites? Well, there are a lot of places, but you don't want to spend your time looking for something you can't find because the broker doesn't sell those sites within your criteria. But for sites under or around the 50K range, you should check out flippa.com, Motion Invest, Blogs for Sale, Empire Flippers, and Investors Club. Number three, how to identify risks. Once you know which site to buy for you and where to buy them, you of course don't want to just buy any old affiliate website. Some are better than others, and you need to know what risks affiliate websites have. For example, is the revenue stable? Is the traffic stable? Has the site been hit by a Google algorithm update? There are a lot of metrics to check. To make this part of the process simpler, you should get our DD framework that we all use that has helped us make millions and save millions when buying websites. It takes the guesswork out of buying an online business, and you can get it for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. And actually, pause this video and download it right now. Really do it. If you don't have the framework, you won't get as much out of this video as possible. But if you have our due diligence framework, you'll already have the main tool you need to find the right Amazon affiliate site for you. In that framework, we have a set list of questions and data points you need to find out about the site to determine if it's a good business or not. The framework will guide you on how to check the revenue, traffic, content quality, and SEO of an affiliate site. In a second, I'm going to tell you how to value an Amazon affiliate site. But first, I want to thank our video sponsor, Odys Global. Odys is the world's leading marketplace for buying premium age domains with built-in SEO as well as done-for-you affiliate site packages. Why am I telling you this now? Because too many people who come to our space to make money online start websites and fail because it's hard to build SEO, backlinks, and get traffic to their website, which is why if you don't have $10,000 or more to drop on an established business, you don't have to start from scratch. You can buy a premium age domain from Odys with built-in SEO to fast track your online business success. Go to odys.global and save $100 on any domain by using the code Jared100. Number four, how to value websites. Once you have done your due diligence on the website, you've got a lot of data. It's time to put a value on the site. Remember, just because someone is asking a certain amount for a site, this does not mean that's what it's worth. You don't need to pay the asking price. You should only pay what it's worth. Price is different than value. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. You want the most value for the lowest price. To work out the value, you should analyze the website and come up with a fair valuation. And do you also remember that at the start of this video, I told you that I would share with you how to not lose money and buy a dud business? The best way is to have a seasoned website investor look over your due diligence and help you with this. Having a pro look at the business will not only help you to identify possible risks or scams, but it also helps you know the true value of the website. This is what we do for our Bob members. That's why nobody has ever bought a dud online business here. If you want to check out more about the Bob community, there will be a link in the description. Step 1, find the true net profit for the website. Whatever the site says is the profit. You can't rely on that because sellers often don't disclose all the expenses in their business because it makes it harder for them to sell. You have to find the monthly income and subtract out all expenses. I'm saying all expenses because many sellers will not include major expenses such as content creation, which is huge for content sites. Okay, so step 1 was finding the true monthly net profit. Step 2 is to look at the multiple that the seller is asking for. For websites, the multiple is how many months of net profit the seller is asking for. For example, if a site is selling for $20,000 and it makes $1,000 net profit a month, then the multiple is 20,000 divided by 1,000 or 20. That's the multiple that the seller is asking for. But how do you decide what multiple you should put on the business? You get a sense for multiples by comparing multiples across different sites for sale. For example, you can look at 20 sites and notice that the higher quality sites have a multiple around 40, and some of the lower quality sites are around 20. Do you see how this is a little subjective in determining the value of a website? The more experience you get doing due diligence, the more you'll be able to value the site. Be sure to check out the comments below this video because there may be some useful tips and links in the video in the comments below from other viewers of this video. And tell me in the comments, where else have you seen affiliate websites for sale? Put it in the comments so that you can help someone else on their journey to buying a website. If you want to start your website buying journey, then download the Due Diligence Framework. It's below in the description. Go ahead, download it. It won't bite you, and you'll be surprised how helpful it is. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin here, and if you have watched this video up until now, kudos, and crush the like button. I'm glad you're liking this video, and I also want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're doing super well. I also want to ask you, please consider subscribing, because our commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to explode. Stories, polls, more amazing content, and more engagement, more surprise and delight. This is the time to subscribe, and I hope you consider it, and I hope to see you on the next video.